I'm gonna make sure I give. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'ma make sure. Hey, oh no.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's kyrralashae here, and I'm gonna make this real quick. I did make an intro or an outro, so here's the deal. This is not a tutorial. This is a watch me video because I tried to do the tutorial thing, wasn't working out because the method I tried to do wasn't working really out, but it did work out in the end. But it's okay. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my motherfucking channel. We need to get our numbers up. We need to get these views up. We need to get these subscriptions up. Tell you, if you're a Ken dog, tell your girls to subscribe to my channel, because who wouldn't want to be a part of the doghouse? Who wouldn't want to become the brat with the CEO brat? Okay, so now let's get right into this video, because I know y'all tired of hearing me talking, but make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, because I love you guys and I know you guys love me too. So let's get into the video. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's kyrralashae. As you can see, we're doing a hair video today. You can see I have not fresh, but blow dried hair. Yes, girl. Yes, girl. As you can see, I'm showing you the products that I used, of course. And this, you don't have to use the exact same products I use, but you can use what works for you. Different hair types need different things. But this is the stuff I have, and I'm going to link it below. But most of the stuff you can get from your beauty supply store for really cheap. And this Expressions hair was very cheap. It was only $5 from my beauty supply. Right here, you're going to see me start to feather the ends. That hair was super longer. But what you're doing, I'm pulling at the ends right here and feathering them so they can give a natural look at the end of the braid when I'm finished. Make sure you do this with your braiding hair, because you don't want that blunt, choppy cut at the bottom, making it look like horse hair. You want to make it look like it came out your scalp almost. Right here, y'all see me parting my hair. I don't even know why I did that, because I didn't even do a middle part, and I really think I should have did a middle part. But here y'all see me wasting my time doing a middle part, trying to get a middle part, knowing dang on well that I ain't gonna do it. Okay, now I came to my senses and I decided to pull all my hair up. So you see me, I pulled my edges out and I took my hard brush. This brush was really hard. It really hurt my head. But this is what's gonna sleek the mess out your hair. It's gonna have your hair sleek. But yeah. So I'm over here prepping my hair, training it so it can go up. So yeah, that's what y'all. Now I'm about to take the Pump It Up spray, and that's going to freeze your hair into place. It's going to freeze your hair in whatever style you want to. It's like got to be glue, the freeze spray, but even better. So using those two together is just like the perfect combo. So here I am back from off camera. You see my hair is slick and slayed down because I put some Shining Gem in my hair. It's also from the beauty supply store. So we're going to continue to do the same process over, slicking, jamming, and brushing until I'm ready to put that ponytail in my hair. Well, to start braiding my hair. So with this method, it's very tricky. So you're gonna start braiding, and then when you have an open space, you're going to add the braiding hair. I made sure I did at least 3 braids, like braiding down my hair before I added it down. I feel like I should have added it earlier and broke the sections up more, but it's whatever. We're gonna do this style again in a couple of weeks, so it don't even matter. So now I'm about to do my edges. I can't lay my edges on camera. I don't know why, but every time I try to do it on camera, it looks a hot mess. So I had to turn the camera off and get myself right and then come back. Here's the finished look, sweetie. Yes, 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 yes. I love it. I love it. Yes.
You can be my wife. Text me, call me. I need you in my life. Yeah.